Hey guys, what's up? I'm Rohit Khurana, host of Intellect. And what you see here is the Huawei P20 Lite that has been launched in India at 19,999 or 20,000 rupees. And this phone comes with a very impressive design. It looks like a flagship, but this is not a flagship. It's a mid-end phone launched at 20,000 rupees only. It gives you a full HD plus full view sort of display, and on top is a notch, something similar that you see in the likes of iPhone X, Vivo V9, etc., to name a few. And this display is quite good in terms of the visual quality. In terms of design, you have power wake up key on the right hand side, volume rocker on top of it. SIM card tray is on the other side of the phone, as you can see here. The top gets a secondary mic hole, the bottom gets a 3.5mm audio port, charging port, microphone hole and speaker grill, and the rear gets dual camera setup. You get a 16 megapixel rear camera with a 2 megapixel depth sensor, and on the front is a 24 megapixel front facing camera. Giving you a quick overview, this is how the 24 megapixel front camera looks like. And in terms of quality, the front camera seems quite impressive. The rear camera performance is somewhat similar to what we have seen on some other Honor phones in the price range. And this is a 20,000 rupees phone, comes with a 3000 mAh battery, Kirin 659 octa-core processor, Android 8 Oreo with EMUI 8. So it's sort of a balanced proposition. What are your thoughts? Do let us know in the comment section below. This is just a quick hands-on from the launch and not a review, so this is just a quick overview. Do let us know if you like this phone or not in the comment section. Give us a thumbs up if you enjoyed watching. Thanks for watching. This is your host Rohit Khurana signing off. Thank you.